Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about web series that have been personally very close to my heart, and I have watched them like multiple times by now. So, recently I have heard from a lot of people that we have exhausted our subscriptions on Netflix, Hotstar, Prime Video, and whatnot, and we are just looking for some new content or different content online. So, I thought, why not to share some of the series that are personally very close to me, and I have watched them like multiple times. So all of these web series are available on YouTube for free, and the best part about each of the web series is that they have not more than 5 episodes of up to 30 minutes each, and you can easily complete one web series in a day. So I'll be linking each of the websites in the description box below for you to check out, and I just hope you like them. Let's get started. So first up we have Wo Din by Emotional Fools. It's one of the cutest and sweetest little web series I have ever watched on YouTube. A beautiful story of two best friends, Babu and Sridhar, and their journey and the way their friendship grows and evolves over a period of time. So Babu is someone who is dying to be a part of the senior cricket team, and where he does anything and everything possible to be a part of the team. And even when he gets a chance to play with them, he realizes that his heart still lies in his best friend. So, this web series has beautifully captured the story of friendship and the life of the 90s, when life used to be so much simple and so much fun. And I am a complete 90s kid and I could relate to it big time. Above all, in this web series, everyone is fighting for the Parle-G Cup, and I am a die-hard Parle-G fan ever since the time I can remember. So yeah, I really loved it, and it's a must-watch for all the generations. So next up we have Kota Factory by TVF Originals. So the best part about any web series by TVF Originals is the way they capture the minute little details that brings out the content so well that you can relate to it big time. So Kota Factory is a story of a student named Weber who moves all the way to Kota for IIT JEE coaching, and the way he experiences the entire process, the struggle that he goes through, and the kind of people he meets during his journey. So this web series is not only relatable to the ones who are aspiring to be in IIT, but people from different backgrounds. Like I could relate to it because it took me back to the days when I used to take coaching for CA, wherein there used to be thousands and thousands of students in one batch, and we used to have multiple coaching options, and people were just blindly following the crowd without even having a clue whether they want to do CA or not, because apparently it was just a status symbol for them. So this concept has been very well explained by Jeetu Bhaiya in this web series, and I'm sure it can be relatable to people from different uh, education backgrounds. It's definitely a must watch for all the students to make them realize that just follow your passion and do something that really interests you, and not just for the sake of it, or just not just for making it a status symbol.
और अकेला नहीं है, लास्ट मोमेंट तक लड़ेंगे, आईआईटी क्रैक करेंगे, ठीक है?
So up next we have Mr. Das by Cheers, which is one of the most relatable web series for all the corporate professionals out there. It's a story of an MNC employee who is, struggling because of his Kharoos boss. This web series brings out a very strong message that people often leave the organizations not because of the work culture or environment, but because of their Kharoos bosses. And such things continue to happen till the time we have such bosses in the companies. So, yeah, it's a must watch for all the corporate professionals. So, last but not the least, we have Rise by Cheers. It's one of my most favorite web series of all times. It's a little old one, but I still love to watch it again and again. So, I watched this web series in the first place because of Vikrant Messi, because I'm a huge fan of him and the way he makes everything so natural and easygoing. So this web series is about a guy called Shrey who is excited about his new dream bike and looking forward to live his life in the fast lane. But apparently his life has different plans altogether when he loses his job and the way things get difficult for him and everything just comes to a halt. So in this web series you will find some interesting pieces of conversations between him and his dad and the way he motivates him to pursue his long lost dream of doing a road trip on a bike. So it has beautifully captured his journey and the way he evolves and discovers a whole new self during his trip. It's a must watch for all age groups, all the generations, and it's very motivational and a really inspiring web series. Hey guys, if you like my videos, then do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such amazing content.